Hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome to Bonnet Mitsubishi. Today I'm going to show you around this 2013 Commodore Omega wagon in white. Immaculate condition. I'm going to take you around the car, point out all its features and if I can see any marks or scratches. Starting off at the front, no stone chips on the bonnet. You've got your black grille here with your Holden symbol there. Taking a look around, no marks or scratches on the bumper. Lots of tread on the tyres, a little bit of gutter rust on the rim. Side indicators and your Series 2 badge. Colour coded side mirrors. No marks or scratches on the doors that I can see. Got your colour coded door handles. No gutter rash on the back rim. Continuing on round, you've got your rear sensors here. Opening up, lots of room in the back, it's pretty much like brand new. Space saver under here, the full tyre. Continuing on round, again, no marks or scratches, lots of tread and no gutter rash on the rim. And again, no marks or scratches, so immaculate condition. Taking a look under the bonnet now. Extremely clean. You've got your V6 engine. This car is a 6-cylinder, 3-litre petrol, 190 kilowatts of power with 290 newton-meters of torque, 6-speed auto. Petrol-wise, 8.9 litres per 100 kilometres, which gets you roughly 798 kilometres to a tank. And it's got a 5-star ANCAP safety rating with 6 airbags. Taking a look inside now of this 2013 Commodore Omega wagon. Really nice condition, very clean. Starting off on the steering wheel, you've got your Bluetooth control, audio, and for your trip computer, on here you can change it from digital kilometres. You can go through, look at the kilometres it's done, kilometres till empty. Also says your radio station up the top, fuel consumption, speedo control, so if you don't want to go over a certain speed limit. Coming over now, obviously you've got your media center here, AUX input, Bluetooth, and comes up the radio stations on there. Hazards, change the track or the folder if you've got a CD. And down here you've got your climate control. Coming down, auto door locks, window controls, change your side mirrors, and power windows. Opening up, this is where you'll find your 12-volt power outlet, AUX and USB input. Taking a look around the car, extremely clean. And now we're going to take a look at the service history. This car does have full service history. So as you can see, complimentary service. Then it had its 10,000 a kilometre. $15,000, $22,000, $28,000. So full service history. So that's the end of the walk around video of this 2013 Commodore Omega wagon. If you have any further questions, just give us a call on 9907 0555. Thank you.